Hey there everyone, it's JP from the Letnick Estates Group. So today I'm going to be taking you through a couple of properties so you can kind of get an idea of what it's like right now during the Rona time to be able to do showings. I'm not showing anyone personally around. I'm only doing showings by video right now. I'm wearing my mask and I'm wearing my gloves for each different showing. We also have our handy dandy sanitizer.
So we're always looking for different features like the central audio system, and then especially the materials like countertops, whether it's a quartz or marble. We look at the different materials to see what kind of quality it is. In here we can see that there's travertine stone. This is a natural stone. It's more expensive, very luxurious. And then of course we're going to look at the mechanical systems, so hot water tanks and the piping that goes to them, whether or not they're natural gas or electric. Here we can see there's gas lines for all of the different mechanical systems in the house, the furnace, and here is the underground irrigation system. So I also bring along a laser measuring tape. This allows me to check the ceiling heights, as some people like to know how high the ceilings are. And if you're not there to see it, then it's important for us to check. And as you can see, we're testing out the different areas as there are different ceiling heights depending on the location. Even here, just in the living room compared to the stairs, just a couple feet difference is a couple of feet in height difference. So we're just going to go head over to the next property. We have 3 that we're viewing today. And here you can see I'm checking the outside, the exterior of the property, looking for any cracks in the foundation, any sealing that might have happened. Here you can see that the fence is a little bit deteriorating. Some of the boards could be replaced, and that would be nice. You could also stain it. So we're just going to take a look also at the exterior of the siding and in the backyard. This is just knowing the area. This is all parkland, so no one's going to be building here, which is good for a client to know. And then also you get to meet your neighbors, which are right here today with us. So you get to see their cute little white butts. So we're going to open up the lockbox and grab the key. The key, as soon as we open the door, it goes into my back pocket so that I don't lose it. And we are looking at interior features. It looks like they just painted the walls so the caps are off of the outlets. That's something super easy to fix up. We're going to look at the mechanical systems. This system, again, hot water tank and furnace, looks like the piping was redone not that long ago. So they've been doing some upgrades. And the furnace itself looks fairly new, so there shouldn't be any problems with those. Always get it double checked though if you have any questions, and also have an inspection. Very important. But from the first glance, it looks good. Then we're also going to look at plumbing. There's different types of plumbing that you may not want to have in your home, like poly B. And then here we're going to take a look at the roof system. You can see that the gutter just drains right onto the roof, and this is deteriorating the roof. Probably want to get power washed and also get that connection line going down to the next catch. Here we can see the carpets are probably a little bit loose when they were installed over time. The carpet itself is in decent condition, so you could probably get it tightened up, or you may just want to get the whole carpet replaced. It is definitely a decision that is personal. We're again going to be checking the height of the ceiling. That is in the hallway. Then we're also going to check in the living room, because as we can see here, there is a slight variation in the vaulted ceiling. So we're going to check the height here, which is now 10.5 feet. We're again going to check downstairs in the foyer, and you can see it's about the same as in the hall upstairs, it's about 8 feet. So this is an example. I'm also going to be checking the size of the backyard for a client because they wanted specifically to have enough space in their backyard. So this laser measuring tape works in daytime and it goes for quite a long distance. So we're able to check 50 feet here for one side, and then we're going to go to the other and we're going to check the distance here from one of the length. So it's 56 feet here wide and about 50 feet long in depth. So it's a fairly good backyard size. And again, we're going to check mechanical systems. So this is electrical hot water tank, fairly new, and it's in very good condition. Then we also have a furnace here, which is also looks like it's been very well maintained, so shouldn't be any problems here. Again, we're going to check the ceiling heights inside of the property. These are 8 feet. And then upstairs in the living room, again, we have a vault in the ceiling. So we're going to check the ceiling here. This is almost 12 feet high, most likely 12 feet in the middle. Now we're also going to be looking at details. These are some features that we'll be showing to the client, as well as the counters, the bar style, multi-leveled area in the kitchen. Then there's also featured wall inside the master bedroom and a walk-in closet. Crown molding, nice little features that we're going to pick up on and mention to our clients. And again, here we are, we're going to be measuring inside of the bathroom. It's about 9 feet here in the ensuite. So this right here, this used to actually have a door in the floor plan. So one of the questions that our client was looking for was whether or not the games room up here in the right-hand side corner still had the same door that it shows on the plan. Obviously, it doesn't. There's a fireplace there now. So we're just double checking the entrance to show them where the entry to the games room is. This could actually be a bedroom if you really want it to be. So that's it. We just finished doing our 3 showings. We're now heading over to go and put in a for sale sign at a new property listing that we have today. And then once we have that done, we are going to be heading home, as we should be staying home for most of the time other than doing any other work. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of insight into a typical day that a real estate agent during the Rona craze is happening right now might have to go through. We're definitely not having personal interactions with a lot of our clients. A lot of it is all video based, and it is important to keep our distance from other people and making sure that we're disinfecting ourselves, wearing masks and gloves. So if you're looking for a professional real estate agent in the Kelowna area, please think about giving JP Letnick from the Letnick Estates Group a call. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel, as we put out a bunch of different real estate advice content to help you with your next purchase.